Our corrugated tin roof feet are designed to make mounting the OptiMount tray quick and secure. Each set comes with a corrugated roof bracket with insulated padding underneath, plus a key nut and bolt for fastening the tray and 4 steel screws for fixing it to the roof. Installation is simple. Place the bracket on the high point of the corrugated tin and slide it until it sits snug and doesn't shift side to side. Use the 4 provided screws to secure the bracket. Just be careful not to over tighten. You don't want to strip the holes in the roof sheet. Insert the key nut bolt through a slot or hole of the OptiMount tray and install it in the bracket just like you would with a solar mid or end clamp, and tighten the bolt from above using your 6mm hex bit and impact driver. That's it. Fast, easy and solid. The corrugated roof feet is built to save time and last its distance.